What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video, we're going to be talking about Lucid Motors. We're going to be hearing from the CEO talking about the potential of this company. We're also going to be going over the potential merger that's going to be happening with Cciv. So we're going to go over exactly why this stock is up 30% today and why there's a lot of excitement about this specific company. I'm also going to go over a quick stock market recap, and we're going to go over some important economic reports that we need to watch out for tomorrow. So all this important information coming up. Now before we get into the video, I appreciate if you can hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below, and shout out to everybody that subscribed to the channel and that turn on the notifications. So the main headline that came out for Lucid Motors today is that the potential company they're going to be doing a merger with, which is Cciv, it's up 30%. Because there's multiple reports that came out that they're nearing a deal that they're going to potentially be taking this company public pretty soon. So there's been a lot of rumors going on for months now. There's a lot of anticipation, a lot of hype going on with this specific company. Of course, later on, we're going to be hearing from the CEO why a lot of people are excited about this company, the technology that they have, and etc. We're going to be hearing from the CEO pretty soon, but of course there's a lot of excitement going on. The stock is up 30%. People have been aggressively getting involved in this company as the initial stock price started to break out to the upside. So of course, it was a SPAC company. They usually trade at $10 and initially broke out to 11 to 12 to 15 to 20 to 30. Now we're sitting at $52, getting close to $60. So after hours, it's down 1% of the downside, but there's a lot of excitement. There's going to be another momentum that can come after once they announce the official news that they're going to be taking Lucid Motors public. So that is going to be another at least 10 to 15% move to the upside. Today it's up 31%. So you might expect an additional move to come once they announce that they're going to be taking the company public. So that is a lot of excitement there. People are waiting. That's a very fantastic news for this company. So, but right now, just with rumors and they're getting near to the deal, the stock is up 30%. But let's hear from the CEO of the company, why a lot of people are excited about Lucid Motors, what this company is all about, what is the vehicles that they have and what makes them special. Let's hear from the CEO. And then after that, I'm going to come back and we're going to go over exactly what happened to the stock market. What are some important economic reports we need to be watching out for tomorrow. So let's check out the video.
A warm welcome to everyone joining us here in Lucid's headquarters. It's a really thrilling day for me to present our first product, Lucid Air. We'll see the fusion of the art and the science, the technology, all coming together in an incredible product which will offer the customer so much more. Luxury and comfort, incredible performance, unrivaled range, so much space, just the volume of the frunk. And the HMI, it's a beautiful piece of art. The technology that underpins it is out of this world.
From the very beginning, our core mission was to accelerate the adoption of electrification and make the best car in the world. Early on, we started working towards this clean design and really simplify the vehicle to its very core essence.
What makes good design is creating with passion, creating with care, the fit and finishes, and attention to details. We knew we were a California company. It was this perfect, natural connection.
One of the advantages Lucid has is our drivetrain components are incredibly compact and power dense. We push all those components down and away and give all that extra space to the passenger compartment, and creates a very unique paradigm where we're larger on the inside and more compact on the outside.
So to enable the space concept to work, it required mastery of electric cars, electric powertrain, battery, motor, transmission, power electronics or inverter, and software. We do all that in-house. I'm really delighted that Lucid Air has been validated as achieving over 500 miles. And I like to think of it as goodbye range anxiety and hello range confidence. The surprising thing here is the performance of the car. And I may like fast cars, but honestly, I didn't set out to create a car as fast as Lucid Air. This relentless search for efficiency has resulted in the rest of the system being minute. And yet, unbelievably, we have over 1,000 horsepower.
We develop a whole host of cutting-edge technologies and systems fully in-house. One to mention would be our Dream Drive system. We have a host of 32 ADAS sensors. We've been able to re-engineer a headlamp completely. We're using our micro-lens array optical system. We achieve the most homogeneous headlight of any car out there. Another aspect that's fully developed in-house is our 924-volt architecture.
We have a pack which can take 300 kilowatts of fast charge over 900 volts. No one else has that. This is groundbreaking.
The Wunderbox enables us to charge very, very fast, and one of the most customer important systems is the bidirectionality. This will enable you to use the car as a battery system.
Our factory is the first greenfield EV factory in North America. It will be the fastest factory built, and if you want to build a luxury vehicle without quality, there's no way. You need quality in your processes, in your design, in your product, everything you do.
The Lucid UX experience starts outside the car in our Lucid app. The app is tied to your Lucid ID, so as you approach the car, it knows it's you. You can use natural voice commands to play music, set a stop on your navigation, or even check your calendar and appointments. Our approach was to put all the love and care that we put into the Lucid Air into our studios. The digital customer journey is designed to be seamless from retail, web, to application, to overall in-car experience.
We're going to launch Lucid Air with the exquisite limited edition Dream Edition. It's got over 1,000 horsepower, giving it a 0 to 60 time in under 2.5 seconds and a standing quarter in 9.9. And because it achieves this with the most unsurpassed efficiency, the car has remarkable range as well. So this car has performance and range in a unique fusion. But we have one more glimpse of the future that I would like to share with you. I'd like to introduce Project Gravity.
So definitely keep an eye on Cciv. They can be an additional move for pretty soon once they come out and say that they're going to be taking Lucid Motors public. Once they finalize it and announce to the public, they can be another excitement that can happen pretty soon. But of course, we still have to wait for it. And after the news comes out, after the excitement comes out, we might potentially see a pullback to the downside. So also be careful about that. So now let's talk about what happened to the stock market today. So as you can see over here, we have a relatively good day for the energy sector. We have some stocks that usually tend to perform available that did not do well, like Tesla is down 2.53%. It was below $800. Apple stock down 1.6%. We have the bank stocks that have been performing very well, like JP Morgan, Bank of America. We talked about JP Morgan on today's video, that they can potentially be buying Bitcoin. So that is really quite interesting. And we have Nvidia and semiconductor stocks performing very well. So earnings coming up pretty soon. So definitely keeping an eye on these companies. So the important economic reports we need to be watching out for tomorrow, for Wednesday, February 17. Is going to be at 8:30 a.m. We have the retail sales for the period of January. This previous was 0.7%, and the forecast is 1%. Also at 8:30 a.m. we have the retail sales, X Autos, the producer price index, and we also have Richmond Fed president speaking at 9 a.m. and at 9:15 to 10 a.m. we have capacity utilization, business inventories, and the National Association of Home Builders index. And the Boston Fed president is going to be speaking also at 10 a.m. So definitely keep an eye on for this important economic reports. Some of them are going to be headlined before the market opens, so we get to see some reaction in the stock market. But the rest of them is going to be after the market opens. So definitely be on the lookout for that. And if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below. And if you want to sign up for Webull, check out the links, join the free Discord chat. But I catch you guys on another video later on. Let's get it for tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.